Alright guys, so here we are at the Street Rod Nationals East in York, Pennsylvania. Today's the last day, but this video is full of day two. And today is award day, so right behind me was all the cars. And yeah, so enjoy the video, hang around. If you get a chance to do this show, I mean seriously, you need to check it out. So enjoy the video. Yeah, it is. We get to see them all coming and going.
You can't beat this with a stick, man.
No. When they come out of the shade, we can see them. Oh, we can hear this one. There goes the man. Look at this beautiful big block Willys gasser, tilt front end, the best of the best. Look at that badass. Yeah, buddy. Beautiful. I saw this one years ago down in Ocean City on the boardwalk. Nice car. All right. It's a Dodge 30, what the hell, 46. 46 version of a Little Red Express. Nice. Yeah, sweet old painted up truck. We'll check him out. Pretty cool. I just got invited to the beard contest over there. Might go see what I can do. Nice 70. Dude, bringing his dune buggy in. Ah, old 54. Nice. That's a cool color. Woohoo! We got Glenn and Vicky and Greg and Maria and Brian. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Joe.
How are you? Okay, so as you can tell, I ran into my old friends and I got sidetracked. And next on the video should have been Brian and Maria's car. Well, as you can tell, I got talking, things happened, and I didn't get them filmed. So this is Maria, and obviously she won. So congrats, Maria, on that one. And Brian's car, you will see a little further in this video, he was actually inside in another one of his cars, and they have three amazing cars. Three amazing cars and a truck. So Brian and Maria, I didn't forget you guys. I'm so sorry I got sidetracked, but congrats Maria and congrats Brian on getting the blue car to the show. A buddy of mine's build. Brian's car. I'll show you his other two cars outside. But this is his build. He is in the process of building it, and then he got to display it here, so he's not done the build yet, but he put it together so he can get it in here for this show. Coming along very nice. A lot of different things, very unique. Very unique. Sweet. Good job, Brian. She is filling up for sure. Oh, look at that. Nomad. Yeah, buddy. 57. Old Chevy 3100. And a Pontiac Firebird. Sweet. Best spot up front right here. Let's watch him coming. You want to buy something? There you go. Well over 2,000 cars registered here.
They asked where Mikey was.
Happy birthday, Jeffrey!
They're here. They got in on the off of your head.
There. You're good, buddy. Don't sweat it. I've had that on the channel many a times before. Awesome car. There you go, right there. Buy it in a second. So if you've never been to one of these NATS shows, so we are parked all the way over there. The show runs all the way down there, all of this parking lot, all the way around this loop, over in here. As you can see, all the camping Huge show, huge show. So Street Rod Nats, York, PA. Got to check it out. These guys got the right idea. Backed up against the wall, under the shade trees. We're at over there on the lot, just sitting in the middle of a blacktop lot. Look at the cars here, man. Wasn't he up here for the Good Guy Show, this car?
Yeah. No, this ain't the same car, I don't think.
No? Okay. Because I knew there was a Camaro and a couple of Vets.
Yeah, it wasn't this.
Okay.
But I think this is one that follows it.
And this one's pretty impressive as shit right here.
That was.
For this big old boat.
For what it is.
Damn right.
Wow, he's leaning.
Hey, look at that thing.
Holy
He ain't holding back neither. Look at him.
shit. I've been scared shitless there.
Hell yeah. I bet that's a wild ride because he's hanging on. Good job, brother. Oh, that handle's nice, doesn't it? You got her hanging out there. Hell yeah.
That's the
All right, so we're over here. I'm in for the beard contest. And we got the pinup girls here on stage. Kind of like that polka dot. And polka dot won. Woo! All right, so this is the first time we've ever done this beard contest. Me and Jeff here, and it was pretty fun. And yeah, I think I'd do it again. But hats off to the gentleman right here. He won, and thanks to One Off Customs and Jeremy from Pep Boy Speed Shop. Great time.
And it all stays in York. 100% right to Make-A-Wish. And we are a little over 17,000.
That's a badass.
For the weekend, inching closer, ever so close to 150,000 over the last 8 years. And we need your help. We are also walking around with the...
I know you guys have seen this bad boy before, but man, if you ever see it out, stop and talk to the guy. His name is Steve. Pretty much every panel on this thing has been touched. So just stop by, talk to him if you see him, and he would love to talk to you about the car. He's very proud of this car, and for good reason. Alright, so Jeff got the truck back for the last day. Mike's got the Nova out, and if you notice, we left the 55 home today and brought the Cruiser. So we didn't get any trophies, so I thought it'd be nice just to drive today. But awesome show. Last day though. Man, if you like them coupes like I do, and them 5 windows, boy, they are here. I like that look with the chromies on it. Chrome steelies. Yeah, that's a nice vehicle there. Got this old convertible coming in there. Well, that's kind of unusual, right? All right, you guys seen this before? Jeremy's awesome truck. That's an awesome little Rambler. Sweet. Good job, Ryan. I want to say congrats to Ryan on the big win with the Rambler. Awesome job. And Maria, of course, congrats to you. And Dave and Karen, all right, guys, congrats on your win. This was a good show.